No. Stop dragging, sir.
I dirty.
You're kept in the warming oven.
Alright guys, behind the scenes, we're getting ready. Oh, those are in there? Karif, you took yours out the box?
Alright, do not break it.
What Karif for?
Usually, you don't trust it. I take by myself.
Here, so these are our Karif. Take it out the box and don't make it break.
Do you know how hard
This one eating, so when we're done, this is me.
Yes, I see that. I did not realize.
The Ara here.
Mommy, that's
So why you never get the Ara for she? She wants to look the Ara if we that thing back. I guess she can do the R and me do the M for Marsha, I guess.
How would you feel if some horrible
Alright guys, we're gonna get this going. Pick up them paper there. Put them back to my room next after.
You're my mom.
Hey guys, so basically what we're doing tonight is we're gonna finish putting on the ornaments onto the tree, but these ornaments are more special because they have each of us initial on it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna lay out Santa's cookie and eat some ice cream and chips and dip. I know. So we're gonna say hi guys. Say hi.
Where's my glasses?
I can't.
Hi.
Alright, say hi EJ. Say hi Naraya.
Hi.
This one over here eating.
Well, where's the Christmas glasses? Hello.
Come on.
Hello.
Alright, go. Karif, come on, Moan get wrap this up. Hold the string.
K for Karif.
Okay. N for Naraya. Say hen for Naraya, mama.
And for one.
Okay.
S for Shar.
One in my man.
E for Elijah.
Disgusting. R for Grief.
R for Renee. Come. Them string come up. Yeah. Pass it to me, EJ.
Oh, you flung
Where
your
the ball
son.
gone? Karif, go look under there. The baby ball gone under the ball.
He went.
Karif, can you get the ball under the couch, please? It's under the table. Look under the table or under that chair. Under the couch. You know, Fee?
Make sure move.
Let me say. S for Shirley Rose. Alright, then I go on. Naraya, you could go put your thing anywhere on the tree, mama. You can't reach that high. Let me help you. Put it over.
Should I make
put
them
it.
do it in size order?
No, go ahead. You first, so that got the baby.
Yes. Baby.
Come, mama. Come, all yours.
Come here. Ready? Alright, Mama, catch him, catch him.
Put it on, Papa.
Hey, you catch that footage? Alright, now EJ. Come, Jojo, you out.
You could
Alright, EJ, go put your ball on the tree. Ready? Go. Alright, yay!
You got the wrong letter.
EJ.
Naraya, you go down there. No, it's you can't reach it from there,
Get down
Mama.
and extra.
Yeah.
Yay! She did it! Let them move.
Come over here, guys. Come over here. EJ, come over here.
Wait, I gotta do this. And I'll put it right here.
Yeah, you did that. Come.
You can shoot it.
Yeah. She got that.
I have the only game here.
I'm not going back. Go back.
Popcorn, I want the popcorn. Where did you just clobber?
Woo! Alright guys, that's it. Finally the tree is done. The tree's done. Our special ornaments are on. This is the last leg of the Christmas tree. All our initials are on. So that's it for the tree. Merry Christmas and
Happy New Year!
alright, I'm going to go sit down under the tree like we did last year. So him can in the picture.
Jesus Christ, Karif, relax!
It's just me.
No, stop dragging stuff.
Oh god, guys, that's crazy. Alright, come let's do the cookie scene and get some kind of cookie.
Yay. I want chips.
Alright guys, so we didn't do the whole make the cookie thing this year. Alright guys, so we're gonna leave our cookies for Santa. We didn't make homemade cookies this year, but I'm sure Santa will love this one. You know who we're gonna leave this cookie for? Who? You? Alright, where's the milk for Santa? Sophie, come out of the frame, please. Go over this one. Look, give them cookies, Sophie. Give them cookie. Go to Sophie for cookie. Alright guys, so we got cookie and milk.
Each from.
You giving Santa 2 cookies? Alright guys, so we giving Santa 2 cookies, right? Alright, so we got milk. We're gonna leave it right here for Santa. Who thinks Santa is gonna come tonight to get cookies and milk?
Santa, don't think
Hey,
my
you think Santa is gonna come tonight to get cookies and milk? Take a picture of the serenade, one of them on the cookie.
Will you record on some for mine?
It's record different from picture.
Leave these. These are for Santa, EJ. You don't eat all
Just
Santa's
talking
cookies?
hella crap about my camera.
Word.
Now look at
You
you.
don't eat all Santa cookies?
Alright, let's go guys. So I have to make a scene. Come.
EJ, why you won't?
Okay guys, so Santa cookie is set. We're gonna turn the lights down low and we're gonna watch to see if Santa is gonna come have
Hey.
This is the tree with the lights off, guys. This looks so gorgeous. I never took pictures of it before. That's the TV area there. This is so pretty. Pose, mama, pose.
Look, do the look. Go stand by the tree and do this. Look at me.
Guys, it's his first Christmas and we're hoping he walks for Christmas Day. So let's see.
Whatever this is, I need it in my life.
It's hard anyway. What could it be?
Alright. You can stare in it if you want.
Mariah, why did you open it? None of you guys open this.
Alright. After their payment after a hard days of work. Look at this one. He is gone. He's stripped down to his underwear. This one is thirsty. This one. Do that again. Give me your best dance now, Ryan. Give me your best dance. Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? Give me your dance, EJ. EJ, bust a dance. Bust a dance.
That was one like
Go again. Go. Give me your dance. Come, Kareem. Give me your dance.
okay.
Safi, give me your.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Remember you're tall. Back up a little
I
bit.
think I know what you're gonna do. Yeah.
I didn't get it.
I thought you were gonna do. I thought you were
Go on. Watch it. Froggy. Come, Kareem. Your best froggy jump.
Because if you didn't think that are the best.
All right, get up, Kareem. Froggy, I'll come
You ready
through.
for me? You ready for me? Where your clothes at?
A froggy that?
Nah, that's a froggy that
That ain't no
took too much
frog.
stuff.
That is the ghetto.
That look like a hungry horse.
horse.
Look like a hungry horse.
You look like Rudolph.
I felt like I was galloping.
You look like
I
Rudolph.
just had
on
to follow
steroids.
through. I started it, so I had to follow through.
You look like Rudolph on steroids.
Alright. And you do. Here, Mom. Wait, look at grandma, look at grandma. Me don't put a bow on him, but what a 6 is
So bad.
I dare you. I dare you.
so annoying. That's annoying.